Good morning, class. Today we are going to do the number of the day. And today's number is number 6. Does anybody want to write number 6? Yes? Okay. Very, very good. That is spelled S-I-X. 6. Who wants to draw it? It's a tail with a circle. And when we add 5 to 6, how much does that equal to? Well, let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is 11. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay, so then we subtract 3. Does anybody know what 6 minus 3 is? Yes. Yes, that is 3. Great job. Okay, now add 2. 6 plus 2 is, does anybody know? Yes. Okay, great. 8. Good job. Next, we do 6 minus 6, since it says subtract. Does anybody know what 6 minus 6 is? 1? Well, Max, let's think of it as if a number minus itself always equals 0. So let's try again. 6 minus 6 equals what? Yes, 0. Great job. Okay, so now we're going to do the next 5 numbers after 6. So who wants to answer that question? Yes, okay. So that will be 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Great job! We have finished our number of the day. Okay. Now, guys, what is a holiday coming soon? Halloween, yes, very exciting. And who has gotten a pumpkin for Halloween? Who has went pumpkin picking? Yeah, that's great. Good job, guys. Pumpkins are my favorite part of Halloween. Who has carved a pumpkin before? Ooh, fun. Have you guys made some scary faces? I bet. Okay, so what color are pumpkins, guys? Orange, yes. And there are some weird white ones. Okay, so today's lesson, we are going to do a math lesson with pumpkins. Who's excited? Woo! Okay, so today's lesson, we are going to make our own pumpkin patch. Yes, it's so much fun. And we're going to put math and numbers in it because math is our favorite. So first, I'm gonna give you all a piece of paper that says my pumpkin patch with all these numbers that you will have to trace. Okay, so for example, this is 6 minus 6. So first, we're going to get the orange paint and we're gonna put our thumbs in them and we're gonna make pumpkin thumbs. How exciting is that? Okay, so then we're gonna put our thumbs in the paint and then put them on the paper to make little pumpkins. And we're gonna do that above each and every number in all the spaces. And then we are going to take little pumpkin seeds and we are going to glue them on the pumpkin according to which number is on the bottom of the pumpkin. So since this number says 5, we're going to put 5 seeds on the pumpkin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is 2, so we're going to put 2 seeds. And then we're going to do the math problem. So 5 plus 2, because this is an addition sign, so that means we put them together. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then we put 7 seeds in the ending pumpkin. And guess what number we write? 7. Okay, so then we trace the number 5, so we get all our practice tracing our numbers, and then we write the number 7. And if anybody's having trouble writing the number 7, just remember our song, across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. Okay, great guys. So we are going to do this with every single line. And then there's some subtraction problems and some addition problems. So we're going to have to be careful of which problems are which. Okay, does anybody have any questions? Yes, we are definitely going to wash our hands so we do not get the paint all over ourselves. And if you guys need any help, please ask me and I will come right by and help you. Okay, so everybody will get a paper, and then next I want people, after you do the first 2, I want you all to find a partner, and then we are going to do this in pairs and see how fast we can go. Okay, so I'm going to time everyone. Okay, so I'm going to time you on the stopwatch, and whoever gets the right answer, this last one, the fastest in their partner groups, is going to be able to go to recess 5 minutes early. Ooh, who's excited? I know, it's very exciting. Okay, but I want to ask you a couple more questions before we start our lesson. So, does anybody know where seeds come from? I know, it's a hard question. What other kinds of plants have seeds in them? And what do we call those plants? Do they have special names? Are they fruits or are they vegetables? Also, what is the highest number everyone can count to? Wow, that's a high number. Okay, so I'm going to start the stopwatch right now, and we're going to see how fast and correct everyone can get their numbers. On your mark, get set, go.